Firescape, Engineers, Firescape Academy. We're here in Concord, New Hampshire, and two things you need to recognize for a violation, two things you need to know for giving a violation to Firescape on inspections. First, you need to look at if it has been kept painted, and if it's, second thing is structurally sound. So let's look at the paint aspect of the Firescape. I do see some rust spots, but it has more paint than rust. So I would still fail it, because as you keep going up towards the other floors, there's less and less paint. So let's just focus on the structural here now. This cantilever system, it's a little bit out of whack. It's kind of horizontal, but it doesn't have a release arm. So these things are known to kind of hurt and mangle someone if they don't have this thing properly held up. So what I'm trying to say is that it has no release arm, so the release arm would usually hold up the system here, so people don't try to possibly go climb it and hurt themselves. You know, some person walking through these alleys could just make a decision to fool around and hang on the end here and come down and probably hurt themselves. So by preventing them from jumping on here and this thing swinging down and hurting them, you can use the release arm. So, and it should come down 2 to 3 seconds, 2 to 3 pounds per second, something like that. I actually don't know what's the seconds, but you need a release arm. So another thing is you have a riveted Firescape, the treads itself. So you're looking at changing over, and you need to change over the bolts because these rivets haven't been used since 50 to 75 years ago. So you're looking at the structural aspect of changing over the bolts. It definitely does not, it fails in that aspect of it. I do see rust in between the connections. Clean out the rust, silicone shut. When you clean out the rust, you put in a new bolt and you silicone the top of the tread, so no additional water will go in there. So prevent from the water to collect in there and snow over the years. So that's for the treads, or for just changing bolts altogether, even on a rail section or anywhere else. I did see some treads down up on the 3rd floor, so that is a life safety issue. And I don't know how far, who lives in here, if it's commercial, if it's residential, but there is commercial space down below. If you have any questions, give me a call at 800-649-3333, and welcome to visit our website at firescapeengineers.com and also on YouTube.